How to fix Instagram music not showing all songs. All right, first things first, open up your Instagram app and tap your little profile picture down in the bottom right corner. Next, look up at the top right. See those three lines? Go ahead and tap that. Now, we're going to dive into the Accounts Center right at the top. From here, look for Connected Experiences and tap on that, then hit Sharing across profiles. Tap on your main Instagram account. Now, see these toggles for your posts, stories, and reels? We're actually going to toggle all of those off for a second. Trust me, it helps reset things. Once those are off, back out to your main settings page and scroll down a bit. Look for Account Type and Tools and give that a tap. Then tap Account Type. Here's the real secret sauce. Hit Switch Account Type and then select Switch to Personal Account at the bottom. It's going to ask you to confirm, so just tap Switch to Personal Account one more time. Business and creator accounts often get blocked from using copyrighted music because of licensing laws. Switching to a personal account completely unlocks the full library again. And that is literally it. Go ahead, close the app, open it back up, and check your music sticker. All your favorite songs should be right back where they belong. If this worked for you, do me a huge favor and hit that like button so your friends can find this fix too. Drop a comment below. Catch you in the next video.